Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Cinemascape. I'm your host Monisha and today I'm here to review about the Netflix series Heeramandi.
सिर्फ घुंघरू पहन लेने से औरत तवाइफ नहीं बनती है। दिन के और रात के सारे हुनर सीखने पड़ते हैं।
Heeramandi, The Diamond Bazaar, is a series about life in a red light district in old Lahore. It's all about the courtesans who live there, their struggles and aspirations, their relationships. The main story focuses on two powerful courtesans, Malika Jan and Faridan, who are always competing for control.
ज़बान रखते हुए हाथ छू जाए तो साहब के अरमान और जिस्म दोनों जाग जाने चाहिए।
Malika Jan's daughters Alam Zeb and Bibo Jan also play a big role in bringing change to Heeramandi. It's not just a show about drama and rivalry, it also talks about important things like gender roles and power in society.
Sir, these Tawaifs are very powerful and they have the Nawabs under their thumbs.
With beautiful scenes and great acting, Heeramandi takes you back in time to experience life in the bazaar. The series is about Malika Jan, though she is more autocrat than matriarch, keeping her circle of Tawaifs in line through ploys of manipulation and intimidation. She won't even accept motherly salutations from her own daughters. Secret revolutionary Bibbo Jan, played by Aditi Rao Haidari, and dreamy poet Alam Zeb, played by Sharmin Sehgal, insisting they call her Huzur. Her own sister Wahida, a character played by Sanjida Sheikh, is treated dreadfully by her, but then so is everyone else in the brothel. Madam doesn't suffer fools or rivals gladly. Only Lajjo, a character played by Richa Chadda, a broken-hearted wife addicted to opium, gets away with speaking her mind, showing Malika has lots of layers in her.
क्या फिरोज साहब, अब आधे मिनट का भी एहसान जताएंगे आप?
तीर निशाने पे लगा है मेरी जान और हाथ में।
Into this volatile environment comes Faridan, played by Sonakshi Sinha, the spitting image of her dead mother, cussing mad with fury, determined on revenge against Malika Jan. The series showcases the dreams, struggles, and ambitions of the women and the men around them. The drama unfolds against the backdrop of India's fight for independence from British rule. There are also power struggles, revenge plots, and romantic entanglements.
Excuse me, this is the minstrel.
ऐसा नजारा लेडीज रूम में कहाँ देखने को नसीब होगा?
Heeramandi is a visual opulent feast for eyes with stunning sets and costumes. Bhansali's attention to detail and commitment to quality can be seen. One of the best things about Heeramandi is how it talks about important issues that many people don't usually discuss. It doesn't shy away from portraying the harsh realities faced by the courtesans, sexual assaults on women, LGBT issues. The pain is raw here. It makes you think about traditions and evils in society. Bhansali's weakest scenes and lowest points in the series come when the characters are torn between the two.
फरीदन दहलीज पार कर गई, दीवार पार नहीं कर पाएंगी।
पुरानी दीवारें पार नहीं की जाती, गिरा दी जाती है।
His trademark style is evident throughout Heeramandi. The breathtaking sets transport viewers to 19th century India with their lavish designs. The cinematography captures the era's effervescent colors and textures. A constant flaw in the series is its pace. Some scenes feel overindulgent and the jump cuts from present to past storylines get slightly confusing, and there are few wooden acting too. And according to IMDb, this series received a 6.6 rating out of 10. Well, that was the review of the series. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.